Hi guys, Ronaldo here, dated April the 8th, 2020. Just a formal reminder, tomorrow we're going to do the ultimate trading course for beginners. So it's a complimentary free trading workshop that if you're interested in how to learn this business in regards to trading, then please feel free to register. There's not enough seats left. However, um, yeah, just register online, esdtrader.com, introduction to trading, or email me at esdtraders@gmail.com. All right, so let's go through and begin in regards to our market update here. Just a reminder, tomorrow we're going to have a lot of high impact news, and you can see through here you got OPEC meetings all day basically tomorrow. So that's going to affect oil, and it's going to affect as well the Canadian dollar. That can also affect the US dollar, to be honest. And then you have Eurogroup meetings, and then at 4:30, which is 1:30 a.m., then you have ECB monetary policy meeting minutes, unemployment change, unemployment rate in Canada. And then tomorrow morning, you have Federal Chair Powell is going to speak at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So everything you see fit here, they're all Eastern Standard Time. And so let's look at what's happening basically with the S&P. So if you've been following my market update, I basically stated to you that my target point in regards to corrections around 27.87 all the way to 29.30. So it's almost reaching there on that particular price point, 27.87. Notice that today was very bullish. Yesterday they were uncertain. They didn't really know where to go. However, you see a clear direction. So the odds and probability they would reach 27.87.6, heading even towards around 29.30 is highly probable. All right, so this correction is currently happening, and then the second wave is going to hit depending on what the impact based on the statistical data that we're going to receive. Of course, you're already seeing unemployment rate went from 3.3 million to 6.6 million. And mind you, the very beginning of March, it was only 286,000 who claimed unemployment. And now it's all the way to 6.6. So that being said, with the coronavirus, I believe there's going to be more in regards to the economy. I believe it's not over yet. But for now, in regards to what we're dealing here, there's a minor correction, as well being aware that there is some news tomorrow right there. All right, so that's my market update with the S&P. If I look at the VIX, so the volatility index simply of the SP 500, if you can see through here, it has some room in order for this to head back around the 36-point mark, just to fill in the gap. But if not, this is going to reverse back up all the way, reach around 84 once again, and you will see the S&P tanking. So when the time comes, that is definitely going to happen. But for now, this is what we're looking for, between around 36 to around 40 mark. All right, in the dollar index, there's also some uncertainty with the dollar index. Mind you, the day before was actually very bearish. I'm bearish with the dollar index. Currently, it's just sitting here flat, uncertain, and hence they're also waiting in regards to what the report is going to be. That being said, being bullish with the euro since around 108, this is also a correction of it, and then heading back around the 50th percentile within this impulse. Technically, it is approaching back to around the 38.2 once again. So if it's going to hold its price, I am actually bullish with the euro, heading towards back here around the 115, and then beyond 115, 116, somewhere sometime. I'm sorry, right here, 111.55. Sorry, 111.55. If this one breaks, I have no doubt that it will create a new higher high, but the other option is a new lower high basically from there. So I'm still bullish with the euro, but caveat, it all depends on what the report is going to be tomorrow. But the odds and probability that they will continue the price and the dollar index is going to fail is highly probable. Okay, let's go through oil here. Based on Texas oil. Something happened actually around earlier this morning around 10 o'clock. We're looking at it, all of a sudden there's a big spike within oil. It was negative and then ended up finishing positively around 7%. So same thing, I'm very bullish with oil right at this point in time, heading towards approximately around $35 basically a barrel. Likewise with UK oil, which is crude oil. So I'm also bullish with it, heading towards around $40 basically a barrel. Gold, on the other hand, finished flat yesterday, and at the same time, also still bullish with it, heading towards around $1,700 an ounce. So, but if not, depending on what the news is going to be, but because of this very bullish kind of a lot of momentum, the probability to go around 700 to break this one first at 1671 is highly probable from there. All right, and then if I look at the 30-year yield, it actually finished on a positive side, but there are a lot of gaps. So I'm also still sort of bullish long term. But if this happens, then the dollar is going to keep going up. But if not, this will come back to feel around the 10-point mark with the 30-year yield, and the dollar index will definitely follow. So the dollar index currently is lagging at this point, and the yield is actually leading. All right, so this is based on the market update, based on what we see fit in regards to the data that's being given. So as a form of disclaimer, I'm not here to give you any form of advice, just a piece of information. And if you are interested more in how to be educated, tomorrow will be a good one in regards to the beginner's course. Okay, so it'll take approximately just an hour, basically from there. And we're going to discuss about the different asset classes. We're going to look at the benefits of trading as a business, and also the disadvantages and advantages of trading. What is the best asset class to learn when starting out, the myths and facts of trading, the terminologies used, the types of different analysis, the difference between institutions and retail trading, and how to get started. And at the end, there is basically offering a bonus that's worth $490 basically in value right there. So tomorrow, April 9th at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Take care until next time. Happy trading and stay safe. Okay, do your part, stay at home, and just be safe. See you soon.